India, being the second most populated country in the world and also a developing country, faces a problem of malnutrition. Hello everybody, my name is Aisha Shirin and I am studying MSc Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics from St. Anne's College for Women. And in this video, I will be talking to you about malnutrition in India. Malnutrition refers to deficiencies, excess, or imbalances in a person's energy or nutrient intakes. According to the Journal of Public Health Policy, reports of National Health and Family Survey, UN and WHO, these have highlighted the rates of malnutrition among adolescent girls, pregnant and lactating women, and young children are alarmingly high in India. All living beings need food to survive. We humans rely upon two major nutrients which are called as macro as well as micronutrients. Macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins and fats. All living macronutrients are required in larger quantities by the body, which come from staple foods like rice, chapati, dals, starchy vegetables like potato, etc. And micronutrients are those which are required in less quantities by the human body, which are vitamins and minerals, which come from seeds, fruits and vegetables. Malnutrition that is mainly associated with carbohydrates and proteins is known as protein energy malnutrition or PEM. PEM mainly in children is of different types. Kwashiorkor, marasmic kwashiorkor, nutritional dwarfing and stunting, underweight and undernourishment. The clinical signs and symptoms in children seen in suffering from malnourishment or malnutrition under the case of marasmus and kwashiorkor are as follows. In marasmus, severe growth retardation, loss of body fat, severe loss of muscle mass, bony appearance of the hands and legs, as well as chest, wrinkled skin, and micronutrient deficiencies like vitamins and mineral deficiencies is seen. In case of kwashiorkor, growth failure is seen, muscle wasting is hidden under edema, and moon faced with puffiness, poor mental development, and diarrhea. The State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World of 2022 report issued in July by the UN agencies Food and Agriculture Organization FAO, International Fund of Agriculture Development, UNICEF, World Food Programme and the WHO said number of people affected by hunger globally rose to as many as 828 million in 2021. Increase of about 46 million since 2022 and 150 million since the outbreak of COVID-19. India has high undernourishment, about 16% of the population, wasting of about 17%, stunting 31%, and low exclusive breastfeeding practices only 58%. Apart from these, anemia and also other mother and child related problems in case of the population exist still today. What are the causes for malnutrition? There are many causes for malnutrition. Briefly, poverty, feeding habits, infections, some of the socio-economic factors like inequitable food distribution, especially among children and women because of large family, could be some of those. Seeing the problem of malnutrition in India, measures have been taken to tackle malnutrition under national as well as international guidelines. The Government of India has initiated many programs, schemes and provisionals in order to minimize the severe cases of malnutrition. Apart from these, there are many such NGOs that provide basic facilities to poor undernourished children, women and others. Poshan Abhiyan, approved in 2017. Integrated Child Development Services, launched on 2nd October 1975, represents world's largest and unique program of early childhood development and care. Pregnant and lactating mothers were also taken into consideration under Ministry of Women and Child Development implementing strategy. Matritva Sahyog Yojana, Indira Gandhi Matritva Sahyog Yojana IGMSY, a conditional maternity benefit launched in 2010. Pradhan Mantri Matritva Vandana Yojana, sponsored scheme launched in 2017, Rs 6,000 were transferred directly to the accounts of the pregnant and lactating women for better facilities and for their delivery and for wage loss. Midday meal scheme and also National Nutrition Mission, whose aim was to reduce stunting and wasting by 2%. Total of 6% was to be expected. National Nutrition Strategy. The strategy aims to reduce the form of malnutrition by 2030 and focus on the most vulnerable and critical age groups. That is all about malnutrition. Thank you for watching.